stream your
Glory.
stream your quarry. I've thought about just streaming my like Pokemon robot.
Yeah.
We're live right now, by the way.
Oh, cool.
Yeah. Hi everyone, and welcome to day 15 of my 365-day streaming challenge. Slightly sick edition. So apologies if my voice does not last, and also if this is not a very long stream. I will do my best. But the weather here is all over the place, and it is playing havoc with me right now. So don't be surprised if, tomorrow's stream is just like my Pokemon robot that I made that plays my 3DS for me, or Stell's Minecraft quarry. Or maybe even just Stell playing Minecraft and me just like
In the background.
wheezing softly in the background. But how's everyone out in internet land? Better than me, I hope.
Meow.
I mean, it's Friday, so I shouldn't complain, but I will anyway, because what else is the internet for but to dump stuff on?
Fun.
Correct. I guess no matter how bad things are, at least I don't live in the wasteland.
Give it enough time.
Yeah, we'll get there. We live in Australia, it's pretty close.
I don't think that it means wasted, though, so I think they've got it kind of backwards there.
I'm gonna go with yes, because I'm not entirely sure what you're on about.
It's okay, neither am I.
Okay. I'm glad we're on the same weird, fucked up page. So last time we left our,
Intrepid adventurers.
yeah, our punchy anti-hero, she messed with a sentient robot and freed it, quote, freed it from its bondage and sent it off to get repaired. And I'm not really sure that we actually achieved anything else of note last session. We just kind of wandered around and stabbed a whole load of random, like, raiders. And, oh yeah, that's right. We console commanded our way through salvaging everything in, Sanctuary and the Red Rocket. So, hey look, pew pew. I found pews.
Oh!
Apparently their god did not save them. Federal ration stockpile? Hello there. That's something I've not found before. Excuse me. I'll try and mute the microphone if I have to do anything like that, but I apologize if I don't get to it. Alright. What do we have going on here? And who can I punch in the process?
That dude, he deserves punching.
Hey, what do you know? There is a dude down here. Apparently he's eating something with chopsticks.
Okay.
I don't think he's seen me yet. I'm not even sure. Oh, I'm not sure if these dudes are hostile, but thanks to dog meat, I just found out how hostile they are.
Woo!
That's right. I'm still wearing that bloody green dress that does nothing to stop bullets. I know, right? Surprised me too.
Okay.
Apparently, I do not have anything. I got a leather left leg. We could put some of that on. Eyeglasses probably don't provide much in the way of protection either.
But don't let that stop you.
Alright, now that we know those guys are hostile, dog meat, you stay here.
Sit, stay, good dog.
Hey. Wait there.
At least that's what I wish.
Yep, pretty much. Let's see how far into this I can get before.
You die?
Yeah. Before the jig is up.
Getting jiggy with it.
What the?
Hello. That didn't take long. Wow. Apparently when I die, I just like immediately pop a panty shot right now.
Cool.
I'm pretty sure I've got pants on as well, so...
I was more interested in what the hell looked like your insides with a...
Okay, apparently I'm not wearing anything under this. I thought I put something on. And if I could stick with a vault suit, it's always a safe option.
Sure, why not?
It stops people from seeing my tits.
Where's the fun in that?
Yeah, America. So, this chick kills me very quickly.
Hearing shit.
First mistake, last mistake.
God damn it, dog meat. This is your fault again, isn't it?
Probably.
Oh look, it is. Oh, no, it looks like I reloaded. Man, not using guns is rough. Hear that, Lucan?
I get it, because...
Because dog meat. Yeah, I know, right? It's, dog meat.
Hold.
Doge. Doge plus. Okay, that wasn't dog meat's fault.
Okay.
That time, it wasn't. That one's on me. Let's, let's pop some drugs. Let's pop all the drugs.
Hold.
Turns out, in this particular situation, drugs may be the answer.
Okay.
So let's take all of them. Bourbon. Buff out.
Bourbon's not a drug.
Well, it should be classed as one because it's foul.
It is. It's disgusting. Is this when we say sorry to anyone who likes bourbon?
I apologize for nothing. If you like bourbon, you are wrong.
Fucking kill!
Oh, I've never taken drugs before. It makes you go full Hulk. It's amazing. My character's like, fucking kill! I've never experienced this before. I didn't take a single drug in my first playthrough of this. I think I was playing on normal, I didn't really need them. Because this game was a bit of a pushover. Ah.
Still got you?
Yeah, even being Hulk wasn't enough to to get me through. Next time, Gadget. Inspector Gadget. No, that wasn't an Australian thing, was it? That was super American.
I'm pretty sure it was super American.
I was going to explain that one, but I'm like, no, wait, that.
And besides, Inspector Gadget, they made a movie of it.
And that's why I figured it wasn't Australian. Because if it was Australian, they wouldn't have made a movie of it. Or Australia, Baz Luhrmann would have made a movie of it, and it would have been terrible. Just like everything Baz Luhrmann does.
Not everything, just most of it.
Most of it. Even Moulin Rouge, which I have a small soft spot for, I'm not going to pretend it was actually good. It had Ewan McGregor in it.
Yeah, that was good.
That was good. Moulin Rouge is his least.
Good movie.
It is the movie that he has made that I find the least offensive.
What? Who? Ewan McGregor or...
Baz Luhrmann.
Okay.
It's the only, yeah.
I was confused there for a minute because I'm like, but wait.
To be fair, the only Ewan McGregor movies I've seen are also terrible. Because the only things I've seen him in are
The Star Wars movies?
the Star Wars prequels and Moulin Rouge, so...
Fair enough. I know
Yeah,
I've
fun-
seen him in something else, but I haven't watched him in Trainspotting or anything like that.
Funnily enough, though, I don't hate him despite all of those negative associations.
How could you hate him? He's so cute.
Bring it!
It's like a fuzzy button.
I don't find him cute, I just know he's got a big dick, so... Personally, I think he's kind of ugly, honestly. But, you know.
I
Too
guess each their own.
Exactly. I'd have sex with him, but I'd be thinking about David Tennant.
Not Matt. What's his name?
Matt Smith?
Yeah.
Oh no. I don't like Matt Smith.
No.
He is not an attractive man. Maybe like sleeping with Benedict Cumberbatch. You mean I can't sleep with that turret, like, right there? But why?
Yeah, it's not like the turret ever did anything to you.
Certainly not right now. I'm gonna go and punch that turret's head off.
Sounds good.
Yeah.
Have the same idea.
He may have, but I'm better at punching.
Fair enough.
Well, that's that sorted.
Now you can sleep there?
Yeah. Also, I'm not addicted to anything yet. Success.
Even with taking all the drugs?
Yeah. I guess I need to take more.
I guess so.
Whew. Well, I'll keep.
There's a squid.
Or,
In my quarry.
or is there a kid?
No, it's a squid.
Yeah.
The only kids in this game are zombies. And I tend to stab them in the face.
I was about to say about the pigmen there, but they're technically zombies as well.
Yeah.
Damn it. Should have a bloody game designer thought putting all these mannequins around was a good idea. You're not funny.
It's hilarious. Do it again.
See, no matter how tired I am, I need to stay up until after 9 tonight at least.
Why?
To get a fish in Animal Crossing. It's only available between 9 p.m. and 4 a.m.
That's totally a good reason to stay awake.
I know, right? It's like the only piece of wildlife for that's available right now that I don't currently have.
Is it only available tonight?
No.
Well, then you don't need to stay awake till 9 o'clock tonight.
How am I supposed to sleep with my collection missing something?
You started fine last night with your collection missing something.
Yeah, but then
Multiple somethings.
Yeah, but then I didn't realize it was missing things. I thought I got everything.
No, you didn't.
Shh. Ooh, is blow the password? No.
Depends on who you ask.
Well, I asked the computer and it said no.
Now the computer's lying.
Well, it's presenting a pretty convincing argument because it's now locked me out.
Just because it's presenting doesn't mean it's not a liar.
Seriously, does this password have any letters in it?
No.
I shouldn't get to play this hacking game with, the kinds of passwords that any sane person would actually use.
Where's the fun in that?
It would be so bad.
Zombies, zombies. It's a zombie song. You like it?
I do.
squid party over there.
I'm trying to use my brain here, and it's just full of like,
Squid parties?
no, you just want to go to sleep. You're tired and you want to go to sleep. You don't want to deal with this.
Squid party.
I can't even remember what I was thinking.
Squid party. Seriously, there was like 20 squids just over there before with all their tentacles up going.
Are they actually making that noise?
Probably, I don't know. They haven't put sounds in for squids.
There we go.
So now I find the turret control. Oh, that was a waste of time. I mean, actually, I could probably read the things. That's low energy. Oh. Yeah. These people sound like jerks.
Yeah.
Yeah, let's go get douche meat.
Hey,
Kind of douches.
come on.
They seem like members of the criminal classes, as James May would put it. Okay, so there's more turrets. Maybe I should have used that PC and disarmed them. Get it, dog meat! Okay, apparently I can punch it through the wall. And I only almost died.
Well, that's an improvement. At least you didn't die.
I mean, if this game had the concept of bleeding out, I suspect I would be dead very shortly. Which is funny because it does actually have bleed damage as a status, but apparently even though I just got like a million holes put in me, I was still fine. And after an hour's rest, I'm good as new. Radiation's a hell of a drug. Apparently.
That would have or at least one.
Specifically, it was my cat.
Good to know that I wasn't being delusional.
End of the line.
So, I'm not sure if it's because of the difficulty increase or what, but people seem to be using stim packs a lot more.
I'd say it's the difficulty increase then.
Nothing.
It's like in Dark Souls when you run into an enemy that uses Estus flasks. It's just the worst.
Playing games with me, huh?
I'm not playing games with you, but I can. What would you like to play? Scrabble? Ooh, you need a new color.
No sign of him now.
What an exciting thing that Alexis would never use because that would imply lie that she's not punching people. That's a lot of crap.
Who's there?
And now just
You're mine now, rookie.
and now we encounter the inevitable downside of.
the Pikachus?
I don't think there's any downside to Pumper Pikachu. I was gonna say that having Dogmeat as a companion, I can't use him as a pack mule, I don't think. Actually,
Hey.
You should be able to.
I had a feeling. Oh yeah, you can use him as a pack mule. Awesome. Yeah, take all.
There are all those things on Facebook. Not Facebook, Reddit.
Alright, so I hate to do this, but I'm actually going to tap out now, because I'm really not feeling well at the moment. Having a hard time even staying up for this. So I'm going to go and get some sleep. Well, I'm going to go and lie in bed and wait for 9 o'clock so I can get my fish and watch the end of the cricket and then get some sleep. And hopefully be better for tomorrow. Let's just heal ourselves. I don't want to log back in and find myself in this condition. Alright, so to anyone who tuned in tonight, thank you so much for watching. We'll see you at some point tomorrow. Not working, so probably stay tuned on my Twitter if you want to know when we're going live. And yeah, I'll see you next time.